An in-depth exploration of the chakras. Throat, Vishuddha. The fifth chakra is located in the throat area, and its colour is light blue. The related organs and glands are the mouth, throat, and thyroid. Stones and crystals which are related to this chakra are aquamarine, lapis lazuli, turquoise, and blue topaz. Associated planets are Neptune and Mercury. The chakra mantra is Ham. The direction of movement is counterclockwise, and the corresponding element is ether. Life affirmations are: I choose to speak the truth at all times. My vision ahead is clear, and I choose to express myself with clarity and confidence. I am always open and truthful when expressing to others how I feel. I choose to communicate with honesty and integrity at all times. The governing attributes for this chakra are open and honest communication, choosing to treat others with integrity and authenticity, and creative expression. The throat chakra, or Vishuddha as it is known in Sanskrit, is the fifth chakra and is masculine and connected to the heart chakra below. This is the energy centre of communication, and it is very common to see authors, lecturers, or musicians using this chakra in their work. It is also a way to truly express how we feel and be completely honest and authentic to speak our truth, as often so many people are afraid to do that for fear of judgment from others or repercussions as a result of their words. The thyroid is also responsible for energy release from the body, so those suffering from tiredness may want to check to see if their throat chakra is open and functioning correctly. Signs of a healthy and balanced throat chakra are those who are able to communicate honestly and openly with others, without fear or judgment. Signs of a closed or blocked throat chakra is making the choice to not speak in an honest way, or unable to find the words to express how you are really feeling, being dismissive of what others are trying to say or communicate to you. Signs of an overly active or throat chakra is somebody who will just not stop talking, so you struggle to get a word in edgeways. Learning to rebalance the throat chakra. Become very clear on what your needs are, and then find the confidence to express and communicate them to others so you can ensure that they are met. A suggestion is to write a blog about something that interests you to get your creative juices flowing. Or how about trying poetry and practice getting creative with your words? Taking singing lessons is another great option. Or just have a sing-song at home with your family for added fun. There are many different options. Choose the one that works best for you.